Alright guys, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this. I'll be using my hydrating co-wash from the DNA line. If you haven't heard of this product, you need to get into it. So let's get started. We're just going to continue to each section step by step. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4, and then we're just going to continue to the next step. Finishing up this area, into the next step, I'll be putting my wild growth hair oil into my scalp using the nozzle. So I'm just going to put this everywhere throughout my whole entire head, scalp, nape, edges, 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 center. I don't do the center of my hair as much because I noticed using this, the center of my hair has grown so thick, so I hate it. So mostly concentrate on the edges. Concentrate on the edges, concentrate on the edges, and then use your fingertips, not your nails. Use your fingertips to massage, massage, massage. Okay, now we moving on to the next section, and that would be my aloe vera gel. Look at this stuff. I be just wanting to play in this stuff, y'all. But we're gonna take this apart. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna put this on our hair. Ooh, it's about to be good. So once I finish distributing this aloe vera gel all throughout my hair, I am going to add a little silicone mixture, a little Dominican ritual. But this aloe vera stuff really makes my hair a lot more manageable, especially because of the 4C texture that I have. So, and you can also use this on your skin, under your armpits, and anywhere that you would shave. Just a little tip. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the silicone mix in there. That's where all the white stuff is coming from. Show you that bottle in just a second. But I always use this anytime I wash I can't even explain this product. I definitely have to do a video on it. But let's get back into this. I'm going to go ahead and throw this up and leave it on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Step, these Bantu knots, we're going to be using the Cream of Nature line. I'll be using the leave-in conditioner, the Cream of Nature mousse, and the Cream of Nature 7 essential oils. Okay, let's get into it. We're about to start. So I'm going to start with a little bit of water, wet these curls a little bit, then we're going to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, then we're going to brush it out and detangle it, and then we're going to move on in with the mousse, and then add a little bit of oil at the end. And then we're going to repeat. So here's a few tips in order for you to achieve the perfect Bantu knot. Smoothing, 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 and smoothing. Make sure your Bantu knot is smooth. Take your time, don't rush, get out all the kinks, all the curls, and smooth. Use your hands, use your fingertips, and smooth, smooth, smooth out that hair. Continue to smooth and smooth and smooth until that stuff is silky smooth. And then you will twist, 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 and twist, twist, twist. So that's my tips for you. Just make sure it's smooth, smooth, smooth. Tell y'all something. Your girl kept these Bantu knots in for 3 days. I got so busy. So they are a little flat. They're not going to come out exactly how I want them, but I bet you your girl will make this work. I will make it work, y'all. Now to figure out exactly what I'm going to do, me no know, I'm trying to see. Either way, it's going up. So I guess this wasn't a total fail. I did achieve some type of look while using these Bantu knots. So I'm proud of myself. And if you guys are wondering where I got this, if the love doesn't feel like 90s R&B music, then I don't want it t-shirt. I will leave my link down below. And you can also get 10% off if you click on my link. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Mwah! I am Sjacquis.